Hey everyone, it's your girl Wiz Queen back again with another video. If this is your first time on my channel, thank you so much for joining. On this channel I share information on personal finance and lifestyle, so please consider subscribing below and ensure you turn the post notification bell on so you can get notifications each time I post a new video. If you're a returning subscriber, you know the vibes. Please give this video a thumbs up, don't hesitate to leave a comment below, and don't forget to share with your friends as well. As you can see from the title in today's video, we are going to be sharing 10 top paying easy side hustle ideas for everyone. So just in case you have a 9-to-5 job and you are considering extra ways or additional ways to make money that doesn't involve you taking a second job, because I know how stressful having two jobs can be, because like from personal experience I know it can be very exhausting and you probably don't want to do that. You want something that's very easy, you can schedule your own time, you can work during your own free time and still make extra money, like good money, not just extra money. So I got you guys. The first side hustle idea I have on my list is definitely one-on-one coaching. So if you have some consulting skills, maybe you're into finance, you're into career, you're into tech, you can definitely sell your skills online and have people book one-on-one sessions with you where you train them personally, or you can also be a life coach as well and you have people book sessions with you, you teach them something. It could be skills that you learn from your day job and you can also just sell that to people online. The second idea is for you to become a social media manager. So do you enjoy using social media? Do you enjoy creating content? Or do you enjoy spending time on the internet and creating ideas? You can definitely become a social media manager. You can sell your skills, market campaigns, create campaigns for brands and businesses that don't have time to put out content on social media. That's a very good skill that is top selling these days. Content creation is a billion-dollar industry and you can definitely tap into content creation. If you don't want to be a content creator yourself, you can sell skills as a social media manager. There are definitely lots of apps that can help you schedule posts, interact with other people's content, and you don't have to do this all throughout the day. So when you're busy with your 9-to-5, you can just have those apps schedule content for you. When you're done with your work at the end of the day, you can go back to continue to manage those pages that you're working on. The third idea I have on my list, which you've probably heard of but you didn't think much of it, is driving Uber or Lyft. So if you have a car and you already know how to drive, you already have the basic requirements to drive Uber or Lyft. So why not just use your vehicle to work or make money for yourself? I mean, you can definitely do that. So you can register as a driver on Uber or Lyft and render services where you pick up people, drop off people, or even items during peak hours, and maybe whenever you're free on weekends you can render that service and make the bank. This third idea brings me to the fourth one, which is delivery service. So you can render delivery service using your vehicle as well. You can offer services on websites like Instacart, Uber Eats, DoorDash, Skip the Dishes, you name it. You can deliver groceries, you can deliver food, you can deliver packages as well for Amazon. So rendering a delivery service with your vehicle is definitely something very easy and straightforward, as long as you have the basic things, which are like your vehicle, insurance, driving license. You can start making the bank with your vehicle. The fourth idea I have on my list is online tutoring. Something similar to the first one. If you have some skills, maybe you can speak 2 languages or multiple languages, you can teach on websites like VIP Kids, tutorme.com, and a lot of other websites offer such services where you can teach people. It could be math, it could be science, it could be language, anything that you are very skillful at. You can render services and teach people online. You can also offer teaching courses on websites like Coursera, Udemy, and other online websites where you can sell your digital skills. So definitely check that out and make extra money from this skills. The sixth idea I have on my list is to become a personal trainer. So if you're a fitness junkie, you're a fitness guru or enthusiast, and you have these skills of what it takes to be a personal trainer, you know a little bit or a lot about nutrition, diet, and all of those good stuff that would help people like become physically fit. You know, everybody these days, they're trying to get their summer body, they're trying to get in shape for their health and a lot of other reasons. If this is something that you're passionate about, you can definitely monetize your hobby and sell these skills. You can also work at a gym or maybe sell your personal training services online. You can also decide to create video tutorials where you can sell to apps or softwares, or you can even sell it online as well. So definitely, even for social media, you can do that. You can create content for social media pages as a personal trainer. Like, lots of interesting things you can do. If you enjoy training and fitness, you can definitely monetize your skill as a personal trainer. The seventh idea I have on my list is to sell a service. So selling a service could be anything. It could be just any skill that you have and anything that you're really passionate about. So say something like swimming, because I actually pay $50 for 30 minutes for my swimming classes. So imagine making up to $100 per hour. Do the math. Do you know how many hours you have during the weekend, off working hours, and like just 3 days that you have? So do the math, you can make money from that. You can also offer services like catering, baking, cooking, something fun or anything that you find personally exciting. You can just monetize your skill and, you know, get the bank from it. I haven't mentioned the first 7 ideas. These last 3 items on my list are somewhat passive. You just need to put in the work at the very beginning, and after a while, the amount of effort you would need to put into it becomes very minimal over time. So the first one is definitely affiliate marketing. You've probably heard of this before and didn't think much of it. Definitely go do your research now and get onto that trend, because you are losing a lot of money by not getting into affiliate marketing. Most websites offers affiliate marketing services where you can get a referral code and have people buy things through your link. Amazon Associate is probably the most popular one that I know of. Once you register as an associate on Amazon, you can get a referral link, and once people buy products using that link, you get a commission. You might think that's too much work for you, but once you put in maybe some advert online or maybe on your social media, it just continues to generate revenue for you without you putting in more effort. The next idea is also to sell Amazon FBA. FBA simply means fulfillment by Amazon. Basically what this is you go on Amazon website, look for top selling products, source them cheaply from websites like Alibaba or from any country where you feel like you can get the product for a very reasonable price. Then you bring them back to your country or wherever you decide to sell and send them to Amazon warehouse. So basically, once there is an order, you wouldn't have to package the order or send the order or mail the items out. If you send them to Amazon warehouse, then Amazon ships them. This is completely different from fulfillment by merchant that Amazon also offers. A lot of people tend to prefer the fulfillment by Amazon because this means the products are on Amazon Prime and they tend to ship faster and sell faster than fulfillment by merchant. If it's something that you're passionate about, but you would need some business skills and licenses to import products, so if it's something that you are interested in, definitely check out Amazon FBA. The last idea I have on my list is definitely to sell on Etsy. So if you already do Amazon FBA, you might also want to sell some of those items you have on Etsy, just that it might require a bit more effort from you. You can also sell other things on Etsy like art, maybe painting, drawings, or any other things that you create. It could be crafts as well. Once you have any of all those things, you can put them on Etsy, and once people buy them, you send the mail out. And that's it for all 10 side hustle ideas that you can do with your 9 to 5. One thing I really do love about all of these ideas that I have listed is the fact that you can gain transferable skills from them all and maybe add them in your resume. Another thing is that you can combine one or more of these skills together and make even more money. So say for instance, you can combine the skills of one-on-one coaching with online tutoring. You can also combine the skills of driving Uber or Lyft with delivery service as well, or see the ones that would best suit your lifestyle right now and get onto it. You are leaving a lot of money out there, and I understand totally you don't want to take a second job, so one of these ideas might just be the best for you. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are yet to subscribe, please consider subscribing right away and leave a comment below. It really does help my channel. I appreciate you all. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. In the meantime, stay confident. Bye.